today we're heading in Dubai. We're out at Centre Point where we were staying house sitting, and we're going to take the red line all the way down to Sobha Realty and to head out to the Palm Jumeirah around the area. Should be fun. Quite easy to get around to Dubai using the Noel card. I'm just going to top it up now at the machine. Pop it in there. Card top up. Gonna put 30 dirham on. And then
select credit card.
And then just whack the credit card on the card reader.
Follow instructions. There's a tick.
Operation in progress. Don't remove your card, so keep holding it on there. And it's done. Have a nice day. Print receipt.
Card. Have it here. That was $7.50 because we came 3 stops, 3 zones actually. So we're here at the Al Khail.
Yeah, we're going to head towards the Palm Jumeirah and then on to Dubai Marina. And it's not the conventional way to go with that thing. A bit of walking on the back streets, but we love that. We like to see what's going on out there.
So I just asked the guy at the ticket office about like a daily limit on your Noel card. Basically, the only way you can get like a 7-day pass on this, or if you want a 1-day pass, if you buy an actual paper ticket, and that's 22 dirham. Turns out that would have been better for us because this trip here, it's cost $7.50. It's going to cost $7.50 to go back to Centre Point City, and we could have like jumped on and off the tram and other stuff in between. So yeah, I would advise if you just come in for the day, get a day pass for 22 dirham. This is the Dubai Media City Lake. Oh, and it's just so lovely. Such a peaceful and calm contrast to yesterday in old Dubai. And here's the tram. Just does a circle around Jumeirah. So here we have Palm Jumeirah. I think the first one's over that way, Burj Al Arab that way, and construction site just down there. And there in the distance is a Burj Al Arab. Apparently it's the world's first 7-star hotel, and I think it's around 2,000 euros a night, like minimum. So I can imagine the luxury. So this is the entranceway to Palm Jumeirah. This is probably about as far as we're going to go because you can't really see a lot from ground level. All the great shots are like from drones, from the air. But it's just been really interesting to, I don't know, check out these amazing buildings.
Yeah, it's the motorway in and big apartment blocks either side. The palms radiate out from here.
This is great. We found another Dubai Can free water station, and we've worked out you actually put your hand just under this little light. We got this instruction slightly wrong yesterday. So it's here. Isn't it brilliant that they provide free
Fantastic.
water?
Yeah, I'm really impressed with that.
Look at these apartments that are going to be built here in Dubai. Oh my word, look at where the pools are, right on the balconies. I think I'd be terrified to go for a swim. We're so pleased we've finally found a supermarket. There's a Carrefour market. We're going to go inside now and see what we can buy, either hot food wise or even something to make a picnic. Because we missed breakfast today and it's now 12:30. This is excellent value. You get a hot chicken for $16.95. So we'll get some bread and some salad and it'll be a great lunch. We're going to try something new. Date milkshake with $2.95.
We're at the start of the Dubai Marina walk now, and this is quite impressive behind me. This is the KN Tower. It was built by the people who did the Burj Khalifa, and it twists 90 degrees as it rises up. Very impressive. Looks like someone's just wrung it out like a towel. One word that describes Dubai Marina for me: wow. Check it out, the skyline. Amazing. So we couldn't help ourselves. We stopped at Carrefour supermarket and got ourselves a picnic. We've got a whole chicken here. We've got a lovely spicy mix to go in with the Lebanese bread. That should be a great meal. We're going to try some dates milkshake. Very interesting. And we've even got oranges and cream biscuits for later. All of that came to 35 dirham, which is a good value budget frugal traveller's lunch in a place with a fantastic view.
Lily's trying the date milkshake.
Wow, it's so sweet. It's like zing right in your teeth. It hits you hard.
The KN Tower again. And some of the amazing yachts down here at Dubai Marina. This really is absolutely stunning. Spectacular. And I love the art behind Lee on the steps. The building continues anew. Apparently a quarter of the world's cranes are here in Dubai. So I don't know if you can see in the distance, but there are wires there from right across the other side of the marina. And they come along here, Dubai Marina Mall, to the world's, I think it's the world's highest zip line. It ends here. I think it's like 170 meters. Craziness. Just heading into the mall now. Check out the supermarket and maybe see if we can find some toilets. We're heading now to Jumeirah Beach. Heading now over the quite elaborate pedestrian walkway.
Yeah, we're going down to JBR Beach. Have a bit of beach time. Yes.
These are. This city looks like a fun place, a playground place. So much going on. So this is a famous Jumeirah Beach. Over there is the Ain Dubai. According to our guidebook, it's the largest observation wheel in the world at 210 meters, 40 meters taller than the previous tallest one. And here we have the beach on a glorious sunny Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, it's pretty popular down here. The water looks really nice. It would have been quite nice to have gone in, I think.
But instead here we are in our t-shirt and jeans and sneakers.
Time to take them off, I'm sure.
This is brilliant. It's like the classic Dubai experience. Camel rides on the beach. So here at the Athletic Football Club, Jumeirah Beach, you've got your beach volleyball. Wow, what an excellent location for it. You come round. Back to that amazing Ain Dubai.
Sets over the wheel. That's the end of the day at JBR Beach. Enjoyable day, Mandy?
Oh, it's been absolutely brilliant. Like such a contrast to yesterday, our first day in Dubai, which was an old Dubai and data.
It's pretty hectic, crowded. Lots of people. This has been mellow, peaceful, walking around, really modern and fancy. We enjoyed it. Yeah,
absolutely brilliant.
And another day, we're going to head to the Burj Khalifa. And see part of downtown Dubai, which will be quite exciting.
And check out the Dubai Mall as well. So cool.
Why not? Look out for that. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.